Our cake's done cooling off, and I thought I'd make up some whipped cream to go for the top. I think I'll do about 200 grams worth. This is the heavy whipped cream. My kids just like that little bit of sugar in. It's always about perhaps 2 teaspoons worth, just a large spoon. I'm going to put a dash of real vanilla in. I like plain whipped cream myself, but the kiddos like it a little bit spiffed up. Pretty nice looking whipped cream there. See if we can get everything put aside so we can cut our cake. Nice looking whipped cream. Here's our yummy cake. Now I want to tell you there's another thing about this cake that's real interesting, and right now it's just a little bit hard. This cake is at its very best if you cover it with a lid or plastic and wait until tomorrow. Then the whole thing turns sticky and moist and is really rich and yummy. So this cake is actually best if you make it the day ahead of when you're going to serve it, and then you serve it the next day. Let's see if I want to get this piece out. I think you can see that. This is the thick, moist part in the middle that I was telling you about. And here's our gingerbread cake. And I know you're not going to want to miss me trying it out. So here I go. You have not tried gingerbread cake until you've tried this cake. This is really, really good. Like I said, tomorrow it will be even better. See if I can get a good chunk in there for you to see. There we go. Well, I guess I'll just have to try that. There's my yummy cake that I tore to pieces and ate all up. Might look like a mess, but it tastes great. Yum. Here's our gingerbread cake. Here's our whipped cream. Remember, you can put it in a bundt pan, or you can put it in 2 8-inch pans, and of course if you do that you'll have to adjust the baking time. Here's something else you can do. Here's one slice here. And this is the piece that everybody wants the most. This piece right here in the middle. So I'll put that piece on the top. And we'll layer it with a little bit more whipped cream on top for the very lucky person who gets it. So there's our ginger cake with whipped cream.